Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the cue card topic is describe someone you know who made a good decision recently. किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति का वर्णन करें जिसे आप जानते हैं और जिसने हाल ही में एक अच्छा निर्णय लिया है. You should say who he or she is, वे व्यक्ति कौन है, when he or she made the decision, उसने यह निर्णय कब लिया, what decision he or she made, उसने क्या निर्णय लिया, why it was a good decision, वह निर्णय क्यों अच्छा था, and explain how you felt about the decision, और समझाएं कि आपने उस निर्णय के बारे में कैसा महसूस किया. I am sharing two sample answers for your reference. So the first answer you can prepare for this cue card is, one person I know who made a commendable decision recently is my elder sister Priya. She is a software engineer and has always been a meticulous decision maker. She made this significant decision about 3 months ago when she decided to switch her career path from a conventional 9 to 5 job to freelancing as a software developer. It wasn't an easy choice since she had a stable job with a reputed IT firm, and the thought of stepping into the uncertain world of freelancing seemed risky. Her decision was to leave her corporate job and become a full-time freelance software developer, offering her services on global platforms like Upwork and Freelancer. It was a bold move that required careful planning and financial foresight. She had been contemplating this for a few months, and after thorough research on the market demand, potential earnings, and the possibility of maintaining a work-life balance, she finally took the leap. This decision turned out to be a great one for several reasons. Firstly, it provided her with the flexibility to work on her own terms, eliminating the stress of fixed office hours. Secondly, she started earning significantly more than her previous salary within a couple of months, and she was able to negotiate better rates with international clients. Finally, it gave her the chance to explore a variety of projects which enhanced her technical skills and industry knowledge. I was genuinely impressed by her courage and determination. At first, it was a bit concerned about her leaving a secure job, but seeing her success and happiness reassured me that it was indeed the right choice. Her journey has inspired me to be more open to calculated risk in my own life. Another sample answer that you can prepare for this cue card is, I would like to talk about my close friend Aman, who recently made a wise decision that had a profound impact on his career. Aman is a graphic designer known for his creativity and problem-solving abilities. About 2 months ago, Aman decided to pursue a specialized certification in UX UI designs. Despite having a stable job as a graphic designer, he realized that the field of UX UI designs was rapidly growing and had better career prospects. This decision wasn't easy because it required him to manage both his job and studies simultaneously. He had to invest his evening and weekends into attending online courses, completing assignments, and working on projects. The decision proved to be a turning point for him. After completing the certification, he was able to secure a higher paying job with a well-known tech company. The role offered better pay, a flexible work environment, and opportunities for creative freedom. Moreover, his newly acquired UX UI skills made him more versatile as a designer, which opened up even more career options for him. I believe this was a great decision because it was a perfect example of strategic thinking and long-term planning. Rather than staying in his comfort zone, he chose to upskill himself, which ultimately boosted his career growth. It also inspired me to think about enhancing my own skills to remain competitive in the job market. I felt incredibly proud of Aman when he shared his success story with me. His decision taught me that investing in self-improvement, even when it's challenging, can lead to big rewards. It reminded me that growth often happens outside of our comfort zones. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers help you prepare for this cue card. If you want any another story first, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.